To fix an HP laptop battery that is charging but not increasing in percentage, several steps can be taken. The issue may be due to a software malfunction or a faulty battery device driver. A possible solution is to perform a hard reset on the laptop. This involves turning off the laptop, disconnecting it from any power source, and unplugging any external devices. The AC adapter should also be removed, and the battery taken out. The power button should then be pressed and held for at least 15 seconds. After this, the battery can be inserted back into the laptop, and it can be turned on. If this does not resolve the issue, the battery device driver can be uninstalled and then reinstalled. This can be done by opening the device manager, expanding the battery section, and clicking uninstall for all relevant entries. The laptop should then be restarted, and the battery section accessed again. From here, the option to scan for hardware changes can be selected, allowing the laptop to automatically install the battery device driver. Once this is complete, the charger can be plugged in to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix an HP laptop battery that is charging but not increasing in percentage.